In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TikTok shop to Shopify, a task that's easier than you might think once you know the steps involved. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, this guide will have you linking your TikTok shop to Shopify in no time. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Navigate to your dashboard where you'll see the familiar Shopify homepage. From here, we'll be taking a few key steps to integrate with TikTok, and it all begins with accessing your store settings. Once you're at your store's main page, move your cursor to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This section is your control center for all the behind the scenes workings of your Shopify store. In here, we're aiming for the apps and sales channels setting. Go ahead and click on that. This menu allows you to manage all the apps that you have connected, as well as explore new ones to augment your store's capabilities. Next, click on the link that says Shopify App Store. The Shopify App Store is the marketplace to find apps that enhance your store's functionality, from marketing tools to analytics to sales channels like TikTok. Once in the App Store, use the search bar to look for TikTok. Once you've found the TikTok app, click on it, and then you should see an Install button. Clicking this will start the process of linking TikTok to your Shopify account. Your browser might prompt you for confirmation, and you'll likely have to sign in with your TikTok credentials. Make sure your TikTok account is ready for this integration, as you'll be connecting digital accounts that manage your sales and marketing data. After you click Install, the app will request certain permissions. These are necessary for it to operate correctly, so review them and proceed by confirming the installation. Now we're on the home stretch. Once TikTok is installed on Shopify, you'll see a button labeled Set Up Now. Click it to begin configuring your TikTok shop settings within Shopify. You'll then be prompted to connect your TikTok shop. This step is crucial as it marries your two platforms, enabling seamless integration for sales, inventory, and customer data exchange. Follow the prompts to connect your TikTok account to your Shopify store. At this stage, you might need to fill out some additional information about your store or advertising preferences. Complete the requested fields honestly and accurately to ensure your integration runs smoothly and matches your business needs. Finally, you'll come to the concluding screen where you'll see the option to finish setup. Click on that, and just like that, your TikTok shop is now connected to your Shopify store. This integration simplifies managing your business across platforms, capturing audiences on TikTok, and funneling them seamlessly to your Shopify store. Take a deep breath, and congratulations, you've linked your two accounts and are ready to tap into the vibrant, active community on TikTok. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more detailed guides on optimizing your e-commerce ventures.